Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. It's your first time to stumble on this our channel. Like, share and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that anytime I post a new video you'll be available to watch. Okay, so now today we are doing roasted fish, tilapia. So this is my spices: ginger, salt, Maggi, all with curry mixed together. I'm going to spice the fish, keep it for some time before putting it on the oven. Okay, see you later. Okay guys, so now I'm about to put my fish in the oven. So this is the spices that I want to use. This is onion, this is celery leaf, this is ginger, this is garlic mixed together with Maggi and salt to rub it on the body of the fish before putting it in the oven. This is how I do it. With my brush, I have this brush just for roasting. I use it only when I want to roast. I rub it just like this, and the inside as well. Put it in the inside as well. Make sure the thing enters the body. I put it on both sides. I'm done rubbing my fish. My oven is already hot, so I'm going to put it into my oven right away. As you can see, my oven is already hot, so I'm putting it inside my oven. Give it about 30 minutes and it's okay. As you can see, my fish is ready. I'm going to eat it with dry plantains. I have some pepper here and I have some vegetable here. Okay, this is my roasted fish, fried spinach and ripe plantains. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye.